So, just to be clear, you're making sure that God and the universe know that you enjoy swallowing someone who was tortured, terrified, and murdered just for your taste pleasure. And you think that somehow this is going to end well. So you're telling me that you had a chicken for dinner and you also had a pig. Well, you know, I've been just watching a lot of slaughterhouse footage and how the animals live on factory farms, and I just cried my eyes out. See, I don't think you really understand what's going on. I mean, the odds of you being a psychopath are pretty slim, but the reality is our entire society has gone insane. I mean, the fact that slaughterhouses even exist, the fact that people have even created machines to kill animals and to keep them imprisoned, and then they eat them when they don't have to. It's absolutely heartbreaking, and I don't know how you can not see that. You probably just don't know. So go and Google Dominion movement and watch it. Seriously, you need it as a basic education. Watch Dominion.com. Just go and watch it now, and come back and tell me what you think. Choices. Everything we do in life involves choices. We can choose to be cruel in any number of ways, or we can also choose to be one of the brave, who dares to try to stop the bullies 3 times a day from kidnapping the innocent and sexually assaulting and murdering their parents. Which side of history do you choose to be on? Hi there! So you're asking if veganism is a choice? Well, yes it is. It's true. It's just like it's your choice if you want to be racist or not. Right? Some people are. Some people aren't. Just like it's your choice if you want to be homophobic or not. You can decide to be cruel or you can decide to be kind. Being vegan is about being kind. It's a choice that you make not to hurt animals, not to eat them, not to wear them, not to use them in any way. And you can make that choice 3 times a day. Every time you go shopping, you put only vegan foods in your shopping cart. Don't put any eggs, don't put any milk or cheese, don't put any dead animal body parts. So anybody can be vegan, everybody knows it's healthy, and you can make the choice to be kind or to be cruel. So what do you think you're going to decide? So you're trying to figure out what racism has to do with animal rights. Well, think about it. When you're really small and you're prejudiced against some animals versus the others, like you like dogs and cats, but you're being taught at a young age to eat chickens, cows, pigs, lambs, turkeys, rabbits, all of these different animals. Where does that come from? Well, that's called speciesism. And that's the root of all that is evil, all that is cruel, all that treats different sentient beings in different ways depending on what they look like. So it's a kind of racism. You know, like when people look at a different person and judge them just because of the outside appearance. Animals are like us in the sense that they all feel pain, they all suffer, and they die horrible deaths. And they all want to be free just like us. We shouldn't be eating them, wearing them, or using them. You know? We can be better than that.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals. And vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
Yep, that's right, I'm still alive. I'm not dead. Hey, I'm just really curious, where is this rumor starting from? So many people are shocked that I'm still alive. Like, who started it? Can you send me a link?
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Okay, so you're saying that people are saying that I'm dead, but some of them don't really mean it because they just haven't seen me around in a while. Well, I can guarantee you that I have not gone anywhere. There's not a day that goes by that I don't speak out on behalf of the animals because my heart goes out to them. In the same way that if you saw a dead dog, let's say, on your dinner table or a dead cat, that's how I feel whenever I see any kind of animals being harmed. So I've been on YouTube. I've been making quite a lot of videos there every single day. So if you haven't checked out my channel there, you have a lot of videos that you can catch up on. There's 1,400 videos or something like that. And it's been different. I think I preferred TikTok because I like the short format, but I put a bunch of these videos all together and then you can watch them on there, and I put in little songs mixed in. So anyway, thanks for your answer.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself. Go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Hi. Well, that's very sweet of you to say. I'm not sure what it is about me as a creator that you like, but I invite you to come and join me over on YouTube if you're not there yet, because I post videos there every day. And there I really spend a lot of time talking about what's going on with the animals. Here on TikTok, we can't really show what happens to them. So people here are really uneducated and they still believe all the lies that they've been told by their teachers, by their parents, by the meat, dairy, and egg industries. At least over on YouTube, I can show some of what goes on. And that's really important. So I show the footage of what happens to the baby chicks, for example. Like, people don't really know that the baby chicks, the boys, are murdered at birth because they'll never be able to lay eggs. So I show videos of that and what happens to the baby cows and all kinds of stuff there. But anyway, thank you so much for your message, and I hope you join me there and help me to teach vegan facts.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan. Gelatin is a protein obtained by boiling the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones of cows or pigs. Gelatin is a protein obtained by boiling the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones of cows or pigs.
That's right. I'm not dead yet. You're the second person who thinks I'm dead today. Why do you guys think that I'm dead, and why do you believe these crazy rumors?
Being vegan means being the change you want to see in the world. So share this song, be better. Be vegan from now on.
So your question says, do I at least respect people for not being vegetarian? I'm not sure if that's what you meant to write, but of course I respect people for not being vegetarian. Vegetarians are the enemy. They still pay for the rape, the torture, the confinement, the sadness, and the murder of innocent animals who never did a single thing wrong to them ever. Vegetarians still eat eggs, and they still eat cheese, and they still drink milk. All of these products come from animals. We have no right to steal from animals. If you think that stealing is wrong, you should never be vegetarian. You should only be vegan. I hope you understand. Spread that message and join me and be vegan. Start now. You could do it.
Would you rather pay someone to kill or take a cute little vitamin pill? Cyanocobalamin, it's a B12 vitamin. If you take 2,000 micrograms a week, all the cells in your body will win. Let's get a quote from nutritionfacts.org. B12 is not made by plants or animals, but by microbes that blanket the earth. These bacteria grow in the guts of animals, which is why their body and products can be a source of this vitamin. Our herbivore primate cousins get all they need ingesting bugs, dirt, and feces, and we may have once gotten all we needed by drinking out of mountain streams or well water. But now we chlorinate our water supply to kill off any bugs, so we don't get a lot of B12 in the water anymore, but we don't get a lot of cholera either. That's a good thing. Would you rather pay someone to kill or take a cute little vitamin pill? Cyanocobalamin, it's a B12 vitamin. If you take 2,000 micrograms a week, all the cells in your body will win. Be better, be vegan. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Hey, I am so happy that you're trying to be vegan. And you know the vegan ice cream thing, it's very easy to find them in your local grocery store. You just go to the section and look for dairy-free. I mean, even Haagen-Dazs has a vegan version, and even Ben & Jerry's also has a vegan version. So you just have to look a little bit more. And of course there's vegan companies, like I think one's called So Delicious. Anyway, just Google them and you can find them. Unfortunately, there are still so many places like this place here in my village that serve ice cream, but that really don't focus on veganism, which is really sad, you know, because if you look at this, you know, there's so many amazing flavors here that could be vegan, but they choose not to, and that's just cruel. I don't know if they actually know what happens to the cows, but baby boy cows are murdered in the dairy industry. So never eat ice cream unless it's vegan.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
That's right. I'm not dead yet. You're the second person who thinks I'm dead today. Why do you guys think that I'm dead, and why do you believe these crazy rumors?
In the grocery store, you can decide to buy soy milk and be vegan from now on. In the grocery store, you can decide to buy soy milk and be vegan from now on.
Yeah. I understand what you're saying, and I tend to agree with you. It's really unfortunate that people think it's okay to hurt one another and to hurt animals, sentient beings. You know, animals feel just like we do. They feel pain, they feel love, they feel fear. We have no right to hurt them. We really don't, and we don't need to. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anyone can be vegan at any stage of development. And look, here's a grocery store. You must have one near where you live too. So just go in there and go buy some tofu. You know, lentils, beans, kale, potatoes, pasta. I mean, just everything in there except meat, dairy, and eggs. You can totally do this. You can start right now.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna.
Hey you. I just want to thank you for your kind heart. that you see that what we're talking about here on social media regarding the animals is cruel. You know, if you look at the comments section, there are so many people who find it a big joke. But you and I, we know. It is an eye-opener. How the animals are treated is absolutely horrific. And I want to thank you so much for having an open heart and not saying something cruel. And I hope to see you on my YouTube channel, That Vegan Teacher, because over there you can write in the comments section. When premieres go up, you can help to educate people. We need all the compassionate people we can get in this world. So thank you for being you.
No matter what your religion, no matter what your skin color, no matter if you're politically left or right, none of this should matter, because you were born vegan and you can return. You were born with empathy, and any cruel indoctrination you can unlearn. Your mother's milk was vegan, it was meant for you. And no matter what they try to tell you, remember, being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. Being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. You can be vegan again. Yes, it's true. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's